On today's Disney Roundup, Disney announces closing dates for MuppetVision 3D and the rest of Grand Avenue, Astro Orbiter has been removed from the Magic Kingdom, and early closing times have been posted for Tiana's Bayou Adventure. I have all that and more for you coming up right here on the DRU.
To infinity and beyond!
I'm in the mood to help you, dude. You ain't never had a friend like me.
Hey everyone, Jeff here, and welcome to the Disney Roundup, where I bring you up to date with all the latest Disney and Disney Parks news. If you're new to my channel, please go ahead and hit that like button for me, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to receive the Disney Roundup each single week. Starting with the parks news, with Monsters Inc. land construction beginning this year, Disney has now shared official permanent closing dates for MuppetVision 3D and the rest of Grand Avenue. Humans will be able to enter the world of Monsters Inc. when it's added to the south side of Disney's Hollywood Studios. The new land will include the coaster we've all dreamed of, a suspended ride recreating the door vault scene, plus dining and shopping, and a whole new theater show. To make way for the monsters, the Grand Avenue area will begin a phased closing in May, with the last day to dine at Mama Melrose's Ristorante Italiano being on May 10th. Following that, MuppetVision 3D and Pizza Rizzo will close, with the last day to experience both locations will be on June 7th. Disney says they are still having creative conversations and exploring ways to preserve MuppetVision 3D and other parts of the experience for fans to enjoy in the future. But the Muppet foolishness doesn't stop there. Kermit the Frog, Miss Piggy, and more of their friends will be moving right along to Sunset Boulevard. The Muppets will be taking over Rock and Roller Coaster, teaming up with some of music's biggest stars for a rock and music festival. A closing date for Rock and Roller Coaster before its reimagining has currently not been shared at this time. Let me know what you think in the comments down below though. Disney has said before they're planning to preserve MuppetVision 3D. We just don't know how yet, but I still believe that they should bring the show back and put it in the Lightning McQueen Racing's Academy building once the Villain stage show there is over. That's just me assuming as well. Once the Villains Land opens in Magic Kingdom, that show will have ran its course. That, and it'll be right beside Rock and Roller Coaster. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Guests planning to visit the Magic Kingdom, be aware Astro Orbiter has been removed from the park. Starting as of January 13th, Astro Orbiter at the Magic Kingdom has temporarily closed for a lengthy refurbishment. With the ride expected to be closed for the next few months, Disney has now removed the ride almost entirely from the park. Spotted over this past week, Astro Orbiter was seen fully removed from Tomorrowland, with the outer structure of the ride still remaining. It's unclear what updates the ride will receive during this refurbishment, but it appears Disney is putting in a great amount of work into it. Astro Orbiter is currently expected to reopen sometime this summer. Guests planning to visit the Magic Kingdom over the next few weeks, be aware that Tiana's Bayou Adventure will be closing early. Now showing on the Walt Disney World website, Disney will be closing Tiana's Bayou Adventure early on select days over the next few weeks at the Magic Kingdom. On the Walt Disney World calendar, it shows that the ride will close some days at 6 p.m. and not with the rest of the park. It's unclear as to why the ride will be closing, as no refurbishment or maintenance is currently scheduled to take place then. Now previously, when the ride was still Splash Mountain, Disney would typically close the ride for refurb this time of year due to low demand and with the colder weather. After almost one full year of operation, Tiana's Bayou Adventure could definitely use some downtime for maintenance, as still to this day since opening, the ride continues to face downtime from technical difficulties. Coming this year to the Epcot Flower and Garden Festival, Disney has shared the lineup for this year's Garden Rocks concert series. The Epcot International Flower and Garden Festival is just weeks away, and that means the return of the Garden Rocks concert series. From March 5th to June 2nd, internationally recognized artists as well as local bands will take the stage at the American Gardens Theater. Performances this year include Rick Springfield, Sugar Ray, Simple Plan, 98 Degrees, Plain White Tees, The Spinners, We the Kingdom, and others. Also beginning January 29th, you can secure your spot at the show by reserving a Garden Rocks dining package. If you want to see the full lineup for the Garden Rocks concert series this year, I'll leave a link to that in the description down below. Alright everyone, that's it for this week's episode of the Disney Roundup. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to hit that like button for me, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to receive the Disney Roundup each single week. That's all for this week. Until next time, we'll see you on the DRU.